Now, one healthcare organization in the East is helping people get ready as we head into hurricane season. I mean, it's already here. ECU Health is hosting a hurricane preparedness event today. Experts will demonstrate how to build emergency preparedness kits. They will also demonstrate how to tailor your plans and supplies to specific daily living needs and responsibilities. The event takes place at 10 a.m. in the parking lot across from the ECU Health Wellness Center.